User stories will help analysts identify and define use cases, which are the primary focus of this lesson. So one approach but to identify use cases is what we call the user goal technique. So in this, the analysts will ask the users to describe their goals. For creating the new or updated system. So the analyst first identifies all the potential users of the system and categorize them by user type. And then conducts a structured interview with each users. So a user goal can be thought of as a piece of work or a task that the user must complete. Let me write that, user goal. So for example, for an RMO shipping clerk, so that it can have a goal such as ship items or track shipment or create a return. This table here shows a list of a few of the user goals for potential users of the CSMS information system. That is our example from lesson 2. So, for example, for a potential customer, the goal here is for him to search an item, fill a shopping cart, and view product ratings and comments. For a marketing manager, the goal is to add product or update product information, add or update promotion, produce sales history report, and for a shipping personnel, the goal is to ship items, track shipments, and create item reruns. So the user goal techniques for identifying use cases includes these steps, the following steps. So first is you identify all the potential users for the new system. So if you're creating a new system, who are the users? Who are the potential users? So second is to classify the potential users in terms of their functional role. For example, for shipping, for marketing, for sale, or maybe customer. So what is the role, the functional role of that user? Third step is to further classify potential users by organizational level. They could be in management, or maybe the user is in executive. And a fourth step is that for each type of user, interview them to find a list of specific goals that they will have when using the new system. So what are the current goals and innovative functions to add value? So you need to identify the goals when using the new system. As you interview each type of user, encourage them to state each goal in the imperative verb noun form, such as add customer, add is the verb, and customer is the noun, update, order, or other goals such as produce month-end report, and so on. Oops. So the next step is to create a list of preliminary use case organized by each type of user. And then look for duplicates with similar use case names and resolve inconsistencies. So you should check if there are similar use cases with with each type of users. And then seventh step is to identify where different types of users need the same use cases. And last step is to review the complete list with each type of user and then with interested stakeholders.